This is going to be a CFM retest video after I put new felt washers in the machine, as you saw in an earlier video, on both sides of the fan compartment in there. So I wonder if I can manage to get a little better airflow because everything is a little bit tighter. So let's see what happens. Now I'm starting with no bag in the machine, and I have a fresh Oreck bag that's never been used to do anything with sitting off to the right. So let's see what happens. Low speed first, no bag. You see what the peak is there, 2775. Now I have the previous numbers. So no bag, we were at previously 68.8, and now we've bumped up to 72.4. So let's go and try this on high speed. You see we have 3504 feet per minute. Now converted, previously we had 87.8 CFM. Now we're up to 91.5 CFM. Ooh, nice. So let me put the bag in. And my ultimate goal here is to see if I can match Blackheart's tests on Vacuum Land from a while back. With a bag in on high, he got 85.29 CFM. Oh, and I am running 122 volts under load. This machine on high only draws 3.5 amps, so it just doesn't draw my voltage down much. All right, so I'm going to put the bag in, and then we'll do a low and a high speed test. Now a brand new HEPA bag is in, and let's see what we can do, because this is what counts. Low speed first. See, 2775, and yes, we definitely have an improvement. With a bag previously I had 68.3 on low, and now I'm up to 72.4. That's a nice little jump from those two little felt seals and any other tweaking I may have done. All right, let's try high speed. All right, now this is the one that really counts. High speed with a clean HEPA bag in 3366, and yes. So previously I had 84.2 and Blackheart did 85.29, and now with my washer tweaks we have 87.8. So about 88 CFM. Now those CFM numbers would have been valid and in use for both the sand and the baking soda test. And currently, I'm also doing a whole house carpet cleaning with Wade results test, so it will affect that test as well. But if you remember, I compared this machine to the Hoover Tempo Wide Path, and on this airflow box we had 91 CFM, and this one's 88. The power nozzle opening is a little bit smaller, so the CFM density is just a little bit higher. It's almost like a 5. I mean, that's kind of up there. So yeah, these two machines, the Tempo and this Oreck XL21, they are unbelievably alike. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tests.